So hello, once again, just a quick video. This time just unboxing one of my purchases in preparation for the upcoming trip to Albania. So let's have a look what's in the box. Just quickly use the scissors. So yeah, just open the box. So this is the part of my luggage system. I've got panniers being installed on my bike already, but this is just a duffel bag. A bit uncomfortable. I should have opened it. Anyway, I'm gonna open. Fine, this is just a packaging. So let's get the box out of sight. So there we go. This is the Rhinowalk Warrior Duffel bag. Comes like this, well packed. So let's crack this open. So far it's very well packed. There we go. Let's get out of the packaging. There we go, Rhinowalk Warrior. So let's put on the side. Okay, so this is the top pouch. Okay, some bungee cords. Lovely bottom. There we go. So this is the exhaust valve. Ah, voila. So this is the front of the bag. Let's remove all the. Yeah, it's well packed, well secured. So all the buckles are being secured with that foam. So it's a good news. Prevention is better than curing, so let's get that out of sight. I'm really pleased with the quality of packing, that's for sure. It's a bit of glue from the packaging, it's not a problem. Okay. So that's the bottom of the bag. Rhinowalk. Again, the straps here. And this is the magnetic closure. That's pretty smart, that's pretty clever. That will help. Let's see what's inside. Inside we've got extra straps. Well, not extra straps, these are the straps. Should be used to attach the bag to the bike. Yes. Secure the zip ties Let's put it on the side. Yeah, pretty decent length, but that's the concept behind it. So I think this end has been create a loop attached to the bike, and the rest goes, this side goes to the bag. So this piece is slightly elasticated. It's quite a strong piece of elastics, but we can get it deattached. So we'll find out what's that for. That is how it works. So the buckles, there we go, they can be secured. Make it shorter. That's pretty. Yep, that should stay secured. It's a good quality, good plastic. Clicks in, firm, shouldn't go anywhere. And it's a bit elasticated. And same on the other side. So it can be adjusted. There we go. And locked. And doesn't go anywhere. That's good. It's got 4 straps. Okay, so that's the bag itself. Some extra loops, valve. What does it say on the label? Rhinowalk. Focus on the riding bags. There we go. That's in Chinese, that's fine. Won't be reading that. Polyester, size 53, 20, 29. Color black, yellow or brown. I've got a brown. How's it attached? The weight, 1,900. I think it's 67 grams. Manufacturer, China. That's fine. What's inside? Yep. There's extra storage. It's got a zip here, so you can put it inside. Yeah. 2 compartments. One is bigger, one is smaller inside. And these are pouches. It's pretty smart, pretty clever. Some extra storage just to organize. What's that? It's a polyester. How to describe it? It looks solid. I've seen thicker ones. I wouldn't say this one is thin, but I've seen thicker ones. Oh yeah, on this side we know we've got 40 liters and some reflective details with that extra thickness. That's fine, so let's put some stuff into it and we'll see how does it look like being filled with some rubbish. So I've got my jacket, some other stuff inside. It's not fully packed, so there's a plenty of space. This is 40 liters, so plenty of space. And being a roll bag, let's roll it. One more time. Let's get it rolled. I managed to trap quite a lot of air, but we could add, well, so I can press it down. There we go. We can just lock it so it becomes nicely deflated. Okay, so how do we put the top? So that we're gonna top. So just pull it back. Same here. Yeah, these are, that's nice detail with those Velcro straps, so it doesn't flap around too much. Yeah, bungee cord, secured, adjustable. There we go. Same here. You can adjust. And of course, you got straps on the sides as well. Can be adjusted. There we go. So it's a decent size. That's 40 liters. And I think these straps, they can go under. But in a nutshell, this is how the bag looks. It's not been fully packed. That's it. Quick pack. Now I think that's a pretty smart system. Yeah, you've got some kind of Velcro, so some badge can be attached. Well, time will tell. I will give it a good test in a short future. Of course, I will take this bag on my trip to Albania. That's the reason I bought it. But before I go, I'll try to pack it and attach the bike and give it a go. Yeah, the only thing is I'm a bit surprised how, it's not how thin, but it's on the thinner side, that material, maybe to save some weight. How robust it is, the time will tell. Hopefully it will last a few trips. Yeah, so this is how the bag looks. You can make the adjustment here. And voila. And of course, it will go inside. These straps, they are not detachable. All the stitching, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty solid. Of course, I said the time will tell. I'm not going to carry any heavy stuff in it. That's a saddle bag, duffel bag. So all the heavy stuff will go to the panniers and lower on a bike. That will be just clothing, maybe some camping gear if necessary. There we go, we can put the name badge. And this is the Velcro as well, so something can be attached. Quick opening. Oh, the other way around, it doesn't matter. I think I can attach the other way around, doesn't really matter. It's a flexible system. Good, so that's the unboxing, the Rhinowalk Warrior duffel bag. The valve is a very clever system, so it can be packed neatly. This part will be handy to put some waterproofs and some stuff into the pouches. Good, I shall give a good test the next couple days. I've got only 4 weeks before I go. So yeah, we shall see.